all are preparing and enjoying the recipes. Students, you know sprouts have many health benefits. They are the cheapest and the biggest storehouse of all the nutrients, but it is very difficult to incorporate them in our everyday diet. So, for this we are going to prepare a recipe that is not only roasted sprouts dahi chaat. The ingredients required are 2 cups of mixed sprouts, that is sprouted green gram dal and sprouted Bengal gram, 1 cup of curd, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 5 crushed paprikas, salt to your taste, 1/4 teaspoon of roasted cumin powder, a pinch of chaat masala, 2 tablespoon of tamarind chutney, 2 tablespoon of mint-coriander chutney, 1 tablespoon of aloo bhujiya, 1 tablespoon of save, and half cup of water. Let's start preparing the nutritious chaat. In a bowl, take curd, add sugar, salt, cumin powder and mix well. Add water to it and whisk again. Now crush the paprikas and spread on the serving plate. Spread a layer of roasted sprouts over the paprikas. Add a layer of whisked curd on it. Sprinkle red chili powder and spread the chutneys one by one. That is, first mint coriander chutney, then tamarind chutney. Add some more of the roasted sprouts and sprinkle save and aloo bhujiya on top of it. Again spread the curd and chutneys and give a final sprinkle of red chili powder. Your nutritious chaat is ready to serve. Enjoy it.